Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. In today's class, we are going to learn about truth tables. As you know, currently we are learning how to create Boolean expressions. A truth table is a tabular representation of Boolean expression. We all know that a Boolean expression looks like this: x, y greater than y, or x greater than equal to 10, or we can say y double equal to true. All three are a simple Boolean expression in which we are comparing two variables in the first case. In the second case, we are comparing a variable with a fixed value. In the third case, we are also checking if a variable is true or not. In all these three cases, in the center, you have a comparison operator. Now, this is what an expression looks like. But when you have multiple expressions, you have multiple variables, then a truth table helps you visualize and understand the individual data, the comparison, and the result. And we will see the use of the truth table more in detail in the next class. But for now, I want to show you in a very basic form. A table is where you have a variable, you have second variable, and the variable value is 4 and is 6. If I am comparing the expression, Boolean expression is A equal to B, and answer is false because 4 is not same as 6. Similarly, if I check second expression and say is A less than B, answer is true because 4 is less than 6. So taking the two values, when you look at this expression, you write true or false, whatever it is, whatever is the answer. Take this example where say A is 10, B is 8. Is A same as B? Answer is no, false. Is A less than B? Yes, because no, because 10 is greater than 8. So answer is false. Question is A less than B? Answer is no, 10 is not less than 8. You can also substitute and check and say like this, and that answer is false. So this table comes very handy. You won't see the power of it when you are using just two variables, but when you have multiple variables and you have very complex expression, which we will see in the next class, you will see the power of or advantage of using a truth table. That way you don't make any mistakes. That's all in this today's class. I'll see you all in the next one. Continue to learn and practice because practice is the only way to learn coding. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.